my goodness. Guys, just look at its back. It's like, oh my god, it's like matte finishing. And guys, look at it, like this shining things. And Vivo, dude, I like just look at this masterpiece, man. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What's that noise? Oh my goodness. A new mobile just appeared in front of me. This mobile and this mobile, just compare them. Yuck. I'm throwing this out in the garbage, man. And now we are going to unbox this new mobile once it for all. Make my mind refresh again. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Best channel ever. Mobile Technical Prince. So guys, now let's unbox this new T2x 5G Vivo mobile. Wow, what a great name, but very big. And guys, before we unbox the mobile, I'll show you something at the back. Extended RAM 3GB. Wow, great. 50 megapixel main camera. Woo, sweet, bro. And 5000 mAh battery. Wow, great. And the best thing of all, made in India. See guys, it's made in India. Let's go, India. Best. Salute to India. Okay, so now let's start the unboxing. Let's do it in style. That was quite off. Leave it. Let's keep it here only. Oh my gosh, the mobile. Dude, this mobile is like, dude, it's like so great. I'm like, dude, just look at this mobile. I'll like just try to show you. Okay, here comes the mobile. Pretty nice. Okay, so we'll boot it later on the video. So guys, now we have this, and guys, we have a cover. Like just look at it. It's like so flexible, man. So let's keep it here with the mobile. And now we have all this rubbish things which we don't need. And now we have the charging cable. Do those papers. Okay, so now we have a charging cable, which is like what? Do like leave it, but that I know, guys, that it charges very fast. Yeah, that I know. And guys, the best thing for all, the SIM which we use, we have to put our SIM. We have that tool, bro. Yeah, we have our tool. Let's go. And now we'll keep all these boxes aside. And this we should not lose it, man. And guys, this is our charging port, so we like keep it here. And now this cover will like keep it here only. And now we are going to unbox the mighty piece. Dude, I'll like just like wipe it first. Now we are going to unbox this. Oh my goodness. Guys, just look at its back. It's like, oh my god, it's like matte finishing. And guys, look at it, like this shining things. And Vivo, dude, I like just look at this masterpiece, man. I love it. Let's try the cover. Dude, the cover is like kind of nice. Yeah, I love the cover. Guys, look at it. The cover is like so shining. It's like an ancient piece, which I'll like keep it on this grass mat. Take everything aside. Just keep this. Just keep this thing. Only keep the masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Just guys, look at its stylish finishing. Okay, so now guys, let's boot it, but we'll remove the cover, because guys, booting without the cover is like Very nice. I love uh, just get out of here. And now, oh my god, guys, just look at it. Without this cover, it looks so nice, shining. And guys, let's boot it. And guys, still I'm booting it. Please like this video. And please tell in the comments that if you want this, if you like this mobile. Guys, it's booting. Just almost finished. Okay, I'm like just waiting. Guys, let's go. Our mobile finally booted. And now let's see its camera. Guys, just look at its display. Oh my gosh. I'll like turn off the mobile then see. Oh my gosh, man. Just look at this love. Dude, just look at it. It's so nice. And guys, one thing that there's a fingerprint sensor here, which is a button. Okay. So guys, now we are going to check the main thing: camera quality. Let's go. So guys, now let's see the camera quality. Oh my gosh, guys, just look at this masterpiece, man. Just look at this masterpiece. Guys, just look at this masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Oh my, dude, there's a freaking flyer. Yeah. Guys, just look at this. Look at this. And now we are going to see Galaxy S23 series, but it's a Vivo, so we'll not see it. And guys see it from every angle. Oh my gosh. So guys, now I'll just like click some of my photos. Oh my god, man. Not bad. Guys, like super photos are coming. I love it. One with the flower. I love the flower. Okay, and now, guys, after all the photo session, now, guys, we are going to tell this things. So, guys, in this mobile, there are three varieties in market. So, guys, one is two 4 GB plus 128 GB, and second is 6 GB plus 128 GB, and the last one is 8 GB plus 128 GB, and the price is 12,999. Very cheap, yeah, for some people, not for me. But for me, it comes from magic. I don't know how. So for me, it's cheap. So guys, goodbye for now. And guys, if you want to see more of these videos, please like the video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. And if you love this mobile, you can get it from the description below. And if you like this mobile, please put hashtag T2x 5G Vivo, and hashtag extended RAM 3 GB, hashtag 50 megapixel main camera, and hashtag 5000 mAh battery. So that's for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Last expressions. I'll now just pack it carefully, so that because it's like very precious, I have to pack it carefully. Just put it